Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing? As for me, I am doing good. Yes, and I hope you are all doing well also. So today I am coming your way with my Louga recipe, which is called Enkatie, also Enkatie or Enkatie, or peanut brittle. So quickly, let's get started. Here I am pouring my raw peanuts into a baking pan. Make sure you spray them over. Give them room to be well baked. Okay, so now I will place them in my oven for 365 degree Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, this is the result, guys. Now I am going to continue with taking off the skin on my peanuts. Make sure you take off all the skin on the peanuts, because in this recipe we are not gonna need or use the skin. All we need is the peanut itself. So I'll come back with my clean and skinless peanuts, guys. So while I am cleaning my peanuts, I would like to say a big thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you. Keep on coming and keep on subscribing. You will not be disappointed on this channel, okay? And for all of you guys that are watching this video right now and you are not subscribed yet, please go ahead and do so. Subscribe and you are not going to be disappointed. Trust me. So here I am pouring some of my peanut into my blending cup, and then I will go ahead and blend this into crumbs. Yes, I will blend them into crumbs because I like my brittle being into like crumbs, not in like peanut powder. Yeah, that's the way I like it. So it depends on you how you like yours. If you like it in like to be made with peanut powder, like the powdery way, just go ahead and do that. Okay, so my second batch of grounding, and after blending, this is all that's all I'm going to use for this recipe. So here I am pouring some sugar into my skillet. With this sugar, you pour this sugar into your skillet while you make sure your heat is in on low key. You don't want your sugar to be burned. You want a nice caramel. You want a nice caramelize of your sugar. So when it's like burn, your caramel is burn, your nougat will taste like it will taste like a little bit bitter. So make sure you keep on stirring. It's gonna take a while because it's on low heat, so it's gonna take a while. Just have that patience, keep on stirring. Now you are almost done. Yeah, now it's all melted. All the sugar crumbs and everything is all melted. Now we have the caramel here, and then we are going to go ahead and add our peanut crumble to this nice and beautiful caramel. So guys, here all you need to do is to add your peanut crumble bit by bit to your caramel, so that both of them will get well combined together, and you will have the right combination of your peanut brittle. They both hold well together when they mix well together. Now the second thing is to make sure to have the right amount of the sugar and the peanut powder or crumble. So guys, so you can have this right consistency right here, like this one you are seeing here. So about the measurement, you guys need, it depends on how many people you are serving. So for example, if you use 1 cup of peanuts, use half cup of sugar, okay? Or in case you use 2 cup of peanuts, you use 1 whole cup of sugar. That will be all. Okay. Here I just transfer my peanut toffee onto my working surface. Roll it, make it flat, and then you proceed to the cutting. You cut it in any kind of shape you want: square, rectangle, triangle, any kind of shape you want. Okay, here guys, you guys need to be very careful because it's very hot and this can burn you in a very bad way. So just know, be cautious. Be very cautious and be fast because after 2 to 3 minutes this will get hard, and when it's hard it's very hard to shape it or cut it. So 2 things here is to be cautious and be fast. So guys, finito. That's it. We are done. I will see you guys in my next upload. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you are not yet. Okay, I will see you in my next upload. Bye bye.